Hello, welcome to this Python code series. So I'm going to discuss the output of this piece of Python code. So in this code, we can see we have three variables, A, B, and C. A and B are assigned integer values, and C is equals to A, and this is the exponential. So this C is equals to A exponential to B. So in Python, the exponential operator is used using two asterisk sign. So we can calculate the value of C. C equals to -4 raised to the power 3. So this is -64. Now I print C into A. So in Python code, this will compute the product and then print the value. So C into A, which is -64 into -4, which is -64 into -4, which is 256 positive. So the output of this Python code is 256. Thanks.